In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a watch list and saved search on Xera's Online Ringman platform. Let's make and manage a watch list. Use the search filter panel to configure your search tailored for your business. When you locate the inventory you are looking for, click the watch star and add it to your watch list. Click Notes to add a note about this particular vehicle. To view all the vehicles on your watch list, navigate to the search filter panel. The search icon can also be used to look for inventory based on keywords. While logged into a sale, your watch list is available and located on the far left panel of your bidder interface. To create a saved search, locate the Saved Searches option on the Inventory filter panel. Click the text link that reads Create and Manage Saved Searches. From here, you can edit or delete existing saved searches. To add a new saved search, click the plus icon at the top of the page. You can now name the saved search, the search criteria, and opt into being notified when vehicles meet the criteria of your saved search. Don't forget to save your changes. We hope this tutorial helped you use some of the features on Online Ringman with confidence.